find wee Sharon in the track. Didn't know she was doing something at ways. Let's go up there next to her, see how weird person is. They're just best catching up in Sharon. Von Schmollhausing is doing the walk. You doing alright, wee man? Wee lassie? It's a wee lassie, sorry. That's us walking from Fairlochy to Lagan. Must have maybe 7 mile behind us, 8 mile behind us. We hope. Not a lot of features on the map, as you can see by the road ahead. Not a lot of features on the road. We reckon 7-8 mile with Desi's expert map reading. Had it and fucking dawed it. So, see how we go. Hopefully Rab's read up in the lager. We'll have a few the night before we get head down for tomorrow again, an 18 miler tomorrow. Yeehaw. Speak to you later.